Reassembling the Rubik's Cube. It happens to everyone. Whether you pop your cube, you have to lube it or have to clean it, you'll always have to either take it apart, put it back together, or it just somehow blows up and you just gotta try and put it back together. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, I'm quickly going to put some of these pieces in a bit more organized, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, here are all the pieces in the different groups. Okay, in this tutorial, I am going to do the white side first. So let me just quickly get the white and blue edge piece. I'm going to be doing an edge piece first. For this cube, it's a bit annoying because I've got to pull the center pieces apart. And then you just got to slide this edge piece in. It's a bit tricky sometimes. There we go. Now let's take another edge piece that's either the red or orange, so it's next to this one. So let's take the white and orange, and also slide this in like so that we've got two edge pieces in. And now, so they don't fall apart whilst we're doing the other two, we'll just take the corner that's matching the centers and just put this in by just sliding it in like this. Okay, and now we can also take an edge piece, which is this one, and also slide it in. There we go. Right, now we can take the other two edge pieces, so the white and red and the white and green, and also put them in the same as before. There's one. There's two. And now let's take a white, green and red. There we go. And now just a green and red edge piece. There we go. And now we'll just do the other two corners and other two edges. So the last two white corners are here. So we can put this one in. And then this one in. Okay, so we've got the first layer. And now we got the red and blue edge piece. And the green and orange edge piece. There we go. So now we've done the first two layers. Right, next we will take an orange edge piece and just, so in this cube I've got to also lift the center piece. But we just slot it in to its correct center. Now we can take a corner piece like this one. There we go. And we can take another one here. There we go. We've got two more edge pieces here. So the left here, the yellow and blue. You can just always, if you put it in wrong like I just did, you can just move it across like this. And then for green and yellow. There we go. And then finally the last two corners, and then we'll do the edge last. This one, this one. And now, if the edge piece would be really hard to push in like this, so what you can do is a little trick. You can just adjust the layer to be like about 45 degrees, and there'll be you can just push it in normally, and if that still doesn't work, you can just twist it in. And now finally, let's put the center caps back on. Orange, white, red, blue, and green. And there we go. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Let me know any other tutorials that you'd like to see, and I'll see you all next time.